Alright, what is happening, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic evening. Getting a little seat time in with Revlon. Not going to be setting any records tonight, but practice makes perfect, right? And we have got to perfect a technique if we're going to get anywhere near that record. So, main thing is working on the launch. Sorry about that. Working on the launch, and also a little bit of grudge racing. Got my buddy Robert with his Hellcat. He's stock Hellcat with a tune. And so we're going to be lining up here in just a second. He's running on a 20-inch wheel and tire combination where I am on a drag pack. Should be a pretty good race. But any time at the drag strip is a good time at the drag strip. Especially when you got buddies that you can talk a little noise with. That is a good looking Elko up in front of me, by the way. Alright, Kimo Sabis, we're going to get this thing rocking and rolling here in just a second. Let's see how this Elko launches. By the way, the DA is not awesome. It's 70 degrees, but it is as humid as hell. These guys waiting. Oh, shit. About to get the go ahead on the burnout. This is the first pass of the night, by the way, and as typical, I got to piss like a racehorse. Here we go. All right. I'm going to have to tree his ass, or I will be losing this race. You got it, baby. You got it. Yeah, who gets the red light? Oh, I don't know who got the wind light. Who got the wind light? Oh, shit. He had a better reaction time than me, but I don't think he got around me. I don't know. Oh, this is going to drive me nuts. I was looking right at his fender the whole way down the drag strip. He got a little bit on me with that trans tune. Oh, we're going to have to see who got it. Oh, the suspense. Is it killing you? It's killing me. Oh, that was a good race. Oh, shucks. I'm going to get out of this helmet. Oh, that was a good race. Left a little bit on the tree, though, so he did tree me, but I may have out 60-footed him on that one, so we're about to find out, y'all. Sorry if it's all shaky. This mount that I have is not that awesome, but let's see. Not really much to see right now anyway. Hey, 665. 665? Yeah. Thanks, buddy. Oh yeah, we got it. She went 1074 at 127 with a 159 60 foot. Hang on. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, that's the first pass out of the way. I got to find a bathroom before I pop like a tick. That's a wrap. Adios.